Hello everyone, Tashi the leg. Welcome to again learning practice places to 21 taras. Part 4. Metok dukpo marme ji. Zhalze rolmo lasokpa. Ngojor yiki trul bul. Pakme tsoki shesu sol. Ma dingbo me. Ta naroto ga tok. Bao da japchu do ga dok. Sa patakpa narope sa pe. Mara mar mandingbo me. Da ratak da gigu di. Metok dopo marme di. Jala jal jasa ze. Ra naro ro la rol. Ma naro mo. La sa naro so ga sa sok pa. Zhalze rolmo lasokpa. Nga naro ngo sa ngo. Au ba yeta ja naro jo ra jor. Ya kigu yi da yit. Ka yeta kya kigu ki sa ki. Sa pa tak pa ratak ta jab chu la tul. Na sa ne. Au ba jab chu bu la bul. Ngojor yi ki tul ne bul. Pa ga sa pak ma a kigu yi. Ca naro tso ga sa tsok. Ka yata kya kigu ki sa kis. Bao janding bo she sa she. Sa jab chu su. Gao sa naro so la sol. Pakme tsoki she su sol. Meto dopo marme di. Zhalze rolmo lasokpa. Ngojor yikis tune bul. Pakme tsoki she su sol. Okay. Metok is flowers. Dupo is incense. Marme is butter, lamps. Tea is perfume. Zhalze is food. Rolmo is music. Lasokpa is so on. Yeah. And the like. And the like. Yeah. Ngojor is real. Okay. Yitki trul is imagine. Nasa ne is buy. Bull is offer. Pakma is Arya. Is Sanskrit, okay? Yi is collective particle. Tsok is horse. Group, yeah. Kis is collective particle. Jesu soul is please receive. Please accept. I pray, yeah. So I make offering of flowers, incense, lamps, fragrant, I think scents, yeah, and food and music and the like and the song, yeah, both physical, and imaginary, created by the mind. It is mine, yeah. Tulpa is imagine, yeah. Bull is a offer. Then Pakma is, Pakmai is a assembly of noble ladies. Assembly is tsok. There's please accept them all. Yeah. Okay. Metok dukpo marme ti Zhalze rolmo lasokpa Ngojor ki stune bul Pakme tsoki shesu sol flowers, incense, butter lamps, perfume, food, music, and so on. But real positions and imagine manifestations I offer to the noble host, a symbol of noble ladies. Receive them, I pray. Yeah. Meto dupo marme ti Zhalze rolmo lasokpa Ngojor trul bul pasmae sogi shesu so Meto dupo marme ti Zhalze rolmo lasokpa Ngojor trul bul Pakme sogi shesu so I make offerings of flowers, incense, lamps, butter lamps, perfume, and food, music, and so on. Yeah, both physical and imaginary, created by the mind, assembly of noble ladies. Tara, yeah, please accept them all. Please receive them, I pray. Okay, this is an offering. Yeah, it is an offering. For example, offering flower, offering incense, offering butter lamps, and perfume. Yeah, and food, music, and so on. This is you can receive to real physical imagine imaginary, that um both physical and imaginary by offer, then you get created by the mind, then you can accept. Yeah, and then idea idea jesun dolma. Yeah, pakma dolma, um tsok, group, and please receive, I pray. Yeah, please receive them all. Okay, see you later. Goodbye.